Hello everyone, I am Renu Gogoi from Assam. I have cleared joint CSIR UGC NET JRF June 2020 with All India rank 158 in Life Science. Motive of this video is to encourage or share my strategies with future aspirant. But at first, I would like to thank Neha Taneja ma'am for her teaching guidance in my entire preparation. She is the one who motivates me, encourages me by uploading videos, practice series on her channel GurMantra. This video really helps me to clear my basics and how to tackle question papers easily. Thus, my strategies for clearing CSIR UGC NET is to repeatedly practice question papers and have basic fundamentals of all units. I didn't take any offline coaching for this exam. I used Pathfinder books for covering my syllabus. For the future aspirant, I would like to ask them to have faith, trust themselves to stay focused for the upcoming exams. Without a clear vision or planning, everything will be crumbles down. So, I request everyone to prepare your time wisely, effectively for clearing CSIR UGC NET exams. Thank you.